Hey guys, I'm here today to check out YooA from Oh My Girl's solo release. This is called Voyage or sooo, which means like forest child or maybe child of the forest, along that line. So I take it might be kind of naturey, pretty, maybe a little bit adventurous and exciting. I don't know, I'm really excited to see it, so let's hop right in. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's like in a car. Yeah, so it looks like he's stranded in the forest. It's too misty for her to see where she's going. Oh my god, that red makeup look. Oh, okay. Big wolf, whoa, that's epic. Oh my god. Oh, is she like connecting with it? Oh! And now she's running through a field. Oh my goodness, okay. I guess the naturey, adventure-y aspect. Oh my god, she literally is like a little wild child, so cute. So pretty. Oh, okay. This is a plot twist. This is such a unique concept. It's very different for K-pop. Like, this is not what I traditionally see in K-pop. Like, it sounds like a Disney movie, you know? Like a soundtrack. If this doesn't become an OST for something, I'm gonna be upset. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Is that snow? Oh, she had wings. Hold up. Is she like a fairy? Oh my god, that hairstyle is so cute on her. Oh my goodness. But the red hair. Ooh, I love the looks. Oh my god, she looks like Tinkerbell. I live. Oh, the lines are black now. They were white before. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I just got chills. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh, pretty. God, all the floating bubbles. Oh. Wow. Oh my goodness. She really has that like fierce wolf-like look in those clips, you know? Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god. Oh, look at her. Oh my god, I felt like that was such a sudden ending. I don't know, like I was just expecting it to go on and on. But actually, 4 minutes and 20 seconds is already like a relatively longer video. Although there was like a bit of an intro, so I guess that makes sense. But wow, the vibes. That was beautiful. It really like puts you in like a I don't know, fairy tale mood, like I want to watch Disney or something. Like it gave me so many vibes of like film inspired stuff. Like I've already said like Disney, and then we had like, you know, like Tinkerbell I thought of Avatar for a little bit, like in the forest with the lights and stuff. I don't know. It just really has that like inspiration feeling to it. And it's so beautiful, and the concept fits her so well, you know? Like, you know, the whole like child of the forest thing, where like it makes so much sense, you know? Like raised in the wild type of vibe among the wolves, like, oh yeah, like Jungle Book, I guess, or something like that. So definitely a lot of things you can kind of connect it to from other media, but this was beautiful. Definitely sends off very positive, happy fairy tale vibes. I live for it. This is like the perfect song for a bright sunny day, especially like if you go outside or something and like go for a walk. This would be ideal. I love it. The looks, oh my goodness. Some of the scenes in here really just, oh, so stunning. I feel like it was really filmed beautifully as well, and just the way it was all like edited together and like so pretty. So yeah, alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like, you can follow me on Instagram at Alice on the Internet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.